You know, with just two ingredients, you can make yourself a very powerful hairspray rinse, and this is not going to cost you a lot. This recipe DIY that I'm going to teach you is very cheap. It is not cost effective. You can actually do this at home, and this is going to help you grow a very long, thick, and healthy natural hair. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Mahima. If this is your first time passing by, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Before you leave this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to help help me grow my channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to make use of two ingredients. Yes, just two ingredients. This is not expensive, and you know it is so common. The first thing I'll be doing or I'll be using is the cloves. Yes, cloves is commonly used because it is very powerful for the hair. It has a lot of benefit to the hair. Now my next ingredient is going to be onion peels. Yeah, cloves and onion peels. So with these two particular ingredients, which is very less expensive and it is very common, you can make yourself a very healthy hairspray that is going to strengthen your hair. It is going to grow your hair. It is going to prevent thinning. It is going to prevent dandruff, and it is even going to prevent premature graying of the hair. Yes, so now let me take you through how to prepare this particular spray or hairspray, and then I'm going to tell you why you need to prepare this. Okay, so now after putting my ingredients into a jar, I will go ahead and add water. Yes, normal water. This time I'm not heating it, so I will add normal water to my jar, and then instead I will put this water in a hot water for about 1 hour. Yeah, so that is taking off the jar from the hot water, and it has already taken about 1 hour 15 minutes already. So after 1 hour I checked up, and this is how it turned out. You can actually go by boiling, or you can go by just putting hot water on the ingredients. By then my hot water was already, so I have to use the normal water. It all works the same. Make sure that the ingredient just infused with the water. If your water has not changed in color, it's not ready yet. So when you see that it has changed in color, that is the time you need to take it off, and then you start making good use of your hairspray. So now you know that we've been throwing away onion peels. Yeah, I used to throw away my onion peels until I discovered this particular recipe on the internet, and I decided to check. I decided to use it on my hair to see if this is going to work for my hair, and it did a lot of magic to my hair. The thing is, if you want to grow your hair, you need to try a lot of DIYs, or if there is a particular product you want to use, you need to try a lot. As you are trying, you should always make sure that you are learning from it. You should know which one is working for your hair and which one is not working for your hair. If this is not going to work for your hair, it doesn't mean you should still use it. You can go to the next DIY. But if it is working for you and you are comfortable with it, you can go ahead and use this one. That is it. So the onion peels, they are rich in sulfur, they are rich in antioxidants, and they are rich in vitamins. They help to reduce hair fall. It stimulates the it stimulates the follicles for growth, and they add natural shine to the strands. So as I said, if you've been throwing away your onion peels, then you've been missing a lot, especially the red onions. Guys, do not throw away your red onions. The moment you discover this video, that is when you should start preserving this, and this is very easy to use. This is not time consuming. You can actually use this and you are free to go. They also help to reduce dandruff, and then they prevent or combat premature graying. Cloves helps to stimulate growth and it also increase the volume of the hair. It also adds shine to the hair and it reduces scalp inflammation. They improve blood circulation to the hair follicles and protect hair from oxidative stress. So most of the time, I will always advise and I will always keep on saying this in all of my videos. Cloves is a very powerful spice. Do not overuse cloves. Do not overuse cloves. Cloves is a very powerful spice that you can't play with cloves. Cloves can leave your hair very dry. So anytime I'm doing a DIY with cloves, I mostly measure 5 ml. In this particular video, I measured 5 ml of cloves. Just a little bit of cloves can go a long way. You don't need too much of it to determine that indeed you've used cloves for your hair. Just a little bit can go a long way. And always make sure that when you're using cloves, you add additional ingredient, let's say a moisturizing ingredient that is going to help balance the dryness to the hair. Okay, so now spray this juice on your hair. Spray the juice on your hair and then massage your hair very well. The massaging is going to help the blood to circulate very well in your hair. Hence, it's going to help promote hair growth at a very speedy rate. Now, if I tell you this hair is just 2 weeks old, are you going to believe me? See the growth. Yes, this is what I've been doing. I've been spraying my hair, I've been making DIYs, and I've been massaging my hair always. And this is working out for me. So I have to share it. So most of the time, you also need to know the type of hair that you have. For instance, I have low porosity hair, so most of the time when I'm spraying these juices in my hair, I warm the juice. This is going to help open the cuticles of my hair to allow the moisture to enter into the hair and then do its work. Now, after everything, I'm going to seal my hair with my Ayurvedic hair oil, and I will concentrate mostly on the tip of the hair because that is where the split ends always occur, and that is where it is prone to a lot of breakages. So I'll try to put a lot of oil on the tip of the hair. That is very important as well. Now after everything, I will just massage it a little bit more, and then I'll just wrap my hair together and then cover this hair. You can actually keep this for about 2 days in the fridge after you can discard it. You can do this as a leave-in, or anytime you want to shampoo your hair, you can just spray this into your hair. After covering the hair, you need to cover it for about 1 hour or 30 minutes. It depends on your hair type. Then you go ahead and wash it. That is if you are doing before shampooing. For me, I'm doing it as a leave-in. Okay guys, so I know you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to give me a like, share this video, and then subscribe to this channel. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.